Hello and welcome to Say It in Polish YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to say year 2020 in Polish. Let's start our video. 2020 2020 2020 2020. Teraz mamy rok 2020. Teraz mamy rok 2020. Instead of teraz, we may say obecnie. Obecnie mamy rok 2020. Obecnie mamy rok 2020. And that's everything. If you like it, please like this video, watch other videos, comment. You can also join our Facebook group called Say It in Polish Learners Group. Thank you and see you in next video.